We'll guide you through how to download and install Sodium in Minecraft 1.21. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Sodium is a really great mod for Minecraft. Essentially, it will go and optimize your game. You can go and get more FPS, and you're going to get access to more settings and features as well. For example, you could go and install shaders with it, amongst other things as well. So to go and get started, let's close Minecraft. Now what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, and you can come to Google, and what we need to do is go and search something called Fabric. Minecraft like so, and we can go and search for it, and we can come to fabricmc.net. Now what you can do is go and press on download at the top, and then we can press download for Windows, get the jar if you don't have Windows, but you probably do, and it will download. What we're also going to need is the Fabric API. So what you can do is then press Fabric API just below the download button, and this will bring you straight to CurseForge. And what you can do is go and press files. You can read through the description if you want to, but you don't need to. And you can then scroll down. You'll see the different versions here of Minecraft 1.21. I tend to go and get the most recent one. So we can then come over to the right, press the three dots and press download file. Now go and wait, it should automatically start downloading. It now has, and we can then press back. And then what we can do is come to the top and click on the search bar, and we can go and type in Sodium, like so. And here it is, Minecraft Sodium. We can click on it, come to the right of the description and press files. Now we can go and see the different versions here. What's super key is we go and get the game version as the same that we got the Fabric API for. For me, it was 1.21.5, so make sure it's the same game version for you. It could be different. At the moment, this is in beta, which it doesn't matter too much, so we're going to get it. And make sure the mod loader is for Fabric as well. We see the second option is, so we can press the three dots to the right and press download file and wait. That's now downloaded, and we've downloaded what we need. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, and you can get right here. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice, so definitely come and check them out. They've got so many great features like instant setup once you get your server, 24/7 servers and support, one-click install mod packs, and many other great features as well. So if you're interested, you can check them out down below. Next, go and open up your file explorer. I'll right click on it and press downloads like so. So to get started, we need to run the installer, so we can go and double click on it like so. We can now choose the Minecraft version. Make sure you get the same version as you got Fabric API for and Sodium. For me, it was 1.21.5. We can then press install, and it's been successfully installed. And then what you can do is click on search at the bottom, and we can go and type in Minecraft launcher like so. It will go and open, but go to the top and click installations, scroll down, and we need to go and find Fabric. I'll just find the version we got it for, 1.21.5. Hover over it and press open installations folder. Now we can go and scroll down and go and find the mods folder. Now in here, we need to go and add in what we went and downloaded. So we can go and come to the other file explorer, and we can go and drag in Fabric API like so. And we can then go and drag in Sodium. There we go. We can then close out of these here, and we can then press play at the top, make sure Fabric is selected, and we can then press play here. And there are all these different settings you can go and adjust.